I'm sure you've heard the news. Cats are the new fashion icons. So let's make sure your kitty is runway ready with these top grooming tips. Number 1, brushing. Regular brushing keeps your kitty's coat shiny and reduces shedding. Tip 2, nail trimming. Keep those claws in check to avoid scratches. Number 3, ear cleaning. Use a soft cloth to gently clean their ears. Tip 4, bathing. An occasional bath can help, especially for long-haired breeds. Finally, number 5, dental care. Use cat-safe toothpaste and a tiny toothbrush. And there you have it, folks. 5 easy tips to keep your feline friend fabulous. Happy grooming.